Hop, ok, nickel. Hop, ok, nickel. Hop, ok, nickel. Hop, ok, nickel. Ça va mieux ici. J'espère. Ah non, imaginons. Là, je vais sur ça. Imaginons, là, je choisis. Toujours aller sur Twitch. Là, c'est en live. Faire un jour. Bienvenue sur mon live. Et donc, du coup, ça marche pas. Enfin, pour moi, ça marche pas. Ok. Perfect. Super, super. Par contre, faut juste. Faut juste que je change pour plus tard. Ok. J'ai ma manette. Allez, c'est parti pour jouer à Red Dead Redemption 2, histoire, la suite. Là, je suis en train de trahir les épisodes là. Comme ça, après, je fais tout le montage la deuxième semaine. Et comme ça, tout sera posté. Et comme ça, au moins, je serai tranquille pendant un moment. En vrai, c'est dommage que je puisse pas avoir mon chat. Parce que du coup, je suis obligée d'avoir mon téléphone à côté.
Well, you girls actually appear to be working.
Ah, c'est stylé quand même le message. Alors, bref. Du coup, aujourd'hui, donc on va jouer à Red Dead Redemption 2 classique. J'ai dit online. Je suis loin d'être sur le online là. Et donc, qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Et bah, je me pose bien là-dessus. Je pourrais aller voir John, mais pourquoi John à Valentine? Ok, ouais, c'est bon. C'est parti, on va aller voir John du coup. Parce que c'est le truc que j'ai envie de faire là. Parce que c'est John, c'est le GOAT en fait. Bonjour Lenny. Je veux couteau? Bah non, moi je veux pas. Moi je peux pas. Moi j'ai la flemme. Allez, on monte sur mon gros cheval. Là-bas, c'est qui? C'est Javier. Javier, c'est quoi?
Stay alert there, Javier.
Your horse, it's looking well.
One more time, just for luck.
Yes, I said hello.
J'aime bien l'accent de Javier en vrai. Oh, j'ai oublié mon casque, mon dieu, j'en peux plus de moi. Mais je n'en peux plus de moi. Oh là là. Pas possible. Toujours à oublier mon casque. Toujours à oublier de mettre mon casque. Ah là là, c'est l'enfer ça. Le casque. C'est beaucoup mieux. En tout cas, ce sera mieux pour moi. Alors. Du coup, j'ai plus rien à dire. Parce qu'en fait, j'ai rien à dire. Je suis tout seul. C'est pour ça, en fait, c'est. En gros, faut que je trouve un moyen pour actionner le live. Oh, je pourrais essayer de faire sur TikTok aussi. Un live TikTok, ce serait pas mal. On va te faire en même temps à côté un live TikTok. Est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un qui regarde? Non. Donc, je peux faire ça. Ok, super. Bam, bam, TikTok, TikTok. Faut que je lance un live sur TikTok en même temps.
Yo les gars, vous allez bien?
TikTok Studio, c'est parfait. Super. Ok. Moi, je veux pouvoir faire un live. Non. Comment faire un live? Un live TikTok. Comment faire un live TikTok sans PC? Ça se pète mal.
Dans cette vidéo, je vous montre comment faire un live sur TikTok PC. Alors pour le faire, c'est facile, c'est rapide, c'est basique et on va le faire ensemble dans cette vidéo. Tout d'abord, vous irez sur votre navigateur et vous allez rechercher TikTok Live Studio. Vous allez simplement voir Download Live Studio.
Il faut que j'aille sur TikTok Live Studio. TikTok Live Studio.
Vous allez cliquer sur Download. Donc, on va cliquer là sur Télécharger pour Windows.
Faut ouvrir le fichier, logique, sinon ça va être compliqué. C'est maintenant.
Dans le cas où on a une version Windows. Et là, vous patienterez que l'application charge. Là, vous pouvez voir que le téléchargement a commencé et il est terminé. Là, on va simplement ici cliquer sur Installer. Et l'installation de l'application pourra se faire directement en cliquant là sur Oui. Et là, vous pouvez voir qu'on vous demande de finaliser en cliquant là sur Installer maintenant. Voilà, l'installation est en train d'être faite. On va passer en live maintenant. Et là,
Ok, faut que j'attende que... Bon, en attendant, je vais continuer là comme ça sur le jeu, sans faire un live direct. Par contre, pour les commentaires, live ici, ce sera beaucoup plus compliqué, je le sens. Ah, il est là.
So, feeling better? How's the scar?
I heal pretty fast.
Lucky you. So you just lazing about, or you got any leads?
Got something. You see them?
Sure. Well, you see yourself as a shepherd now?
Maybe.
Peut-être bien, bah, c'est ce qu'il va faire.
Well, where exactly are we going?
Collect something. Help us get some sheep.
You know, that attempt to seem all enigmatic and interesting, that might work for Dutch, but for you, it just makes you look stupid.
Come along. You'll see. The train job was a start, but we need more money. Until we can get back to Blackwater and collect.
I'm here to tell you, we try to collect that money anytime soon, it'll come with a noose.
I was worried you'd say that. Dutch says that we...
Dutch says a lot. That's his gift. Saying things.
Oh, yeah? What do you mean by that?
I was a prize pony once. Now I'm a workhorse. Listen, Dutch is... But, well, you was at that thing in Blackwater. We already seen Pinkertons here. New century's coming. This life, this way, well, we're the last, I reckon. We ain't long for it.
And that's the way it goes, I guess.
For me, yes.
All right.
Where are we going?
Just need to...
Il est tombé. Il est tombé.
There's a hitching post over there. Tether the horse and I'll meet you across the street.
I already don't like how this is going.
Well, I'll make do.
Mais j'ai trop de cuits moi aussi, franchement. Pourquoi je l'ai pas attaché au poteau directement? En plus, c'est marqué attacher votre cheval au poteau d'attache. Franchement, je me demande j'ai combien de QI quand même. Hein. Allez hop, attacher cheval. Oh, on va acheter des armes.
You, head in, pick up the sniper rifle? I'll explain later.
Oh, well, hello again. How can I help you today?
Looking for a rifle? Something with a sight on it.
Shouldn't be a problem.
Fusil.
Want to see what we've got? It's on the catalog here.
Oh, il est à 0 €, cool. J'ai découvert une touche pour fermer rapidement le catalogue. Oh, ça va être tellement mieux sur Red Dead Redemption 2 Online. Aïe,
Sure.
Let's go.
on s'en va. Allez. Plus vite. Allez, on y va.
Look out!
Putain, t'es un taré, mais je vais te démonter toi.
Damn fool!
Why couldn't you have done that?
Done what?
Bought that gun.
I had a run-in with that fella earlier. We ain't on the best of terms.
You had a run-in. I've had a run-in with half that town.
Hell, it's done now, ain't it?
Why are you being so cagey about all this? Always playing some goddamn game.
Huh? Me? I ain't the one taking Jack on fishing trips.
No, you ain't. If you say the boy ain't yours, what's the difference? You probably only run off again.
Why are you so interested in mud life? Ain't you got one of your own?
Just do one thing or another. Not be two people at once, that's all I'm saying.
It ain't that simple. You know that as well as anyone. Same as with you and that girl. What was her name? Mary?
That was different.
No, it ain't. Just the same.
Anyway, for the love of God, will you tell me what you got me doing here before I turn around and hit the breeze?
There's a herd of sheep coming down to auction from Emerald Ranch. Folk in town were saying the owner's trying to stamp out every farm from here to Ansburg.
Yeah, I know that place.
Ok. Du coup, on est parti pour faire dans cet endroit. Aïe. Je me suis pris les rosses. Alors.
Let's head up to the ridge up there. Get a proper view.
J'ai pu en appuyer là.
That the herd will make it to auction all right, but a couple of new ranch hands will be collecting on the sale. Doubt the town will care to notice too much.
Why we need this rifle you couldn't buy yourself?
Reckon we shouldn't get too close. At least not till we know what we're dealing with. Let's see what we can see from up here.
Ok.
Okay. I think that's them over there.
What now?
Put a shot in near 'em. I reckon they'll hightail it. They're only ranch hands. Just watch the sheep.
Là-bas. Oh mon dieu, mais où ça? Tirer près des ranchers pour les effrayer. Déjà. Objectif numéro 1, savoir où ils sont. Attendez, je pense que j'ai peut-être un moyen. Je mets où ils sont.
Looks like one of them don't scare too easy.
Put another shot in close. You'll get the message. Yep, that spooked him all right. All right, let's go round him up.
Oh non, on va faire ça là.
Let's go get the
Oh, j'ai tellement la flemme.
You ever work on a ranch, Boston?
What are you doing? Stay with me. Nice of you to join me. Anyway, you were saying?
Day here or there, not much.
Those cowboys I know are dumb as trees. How hard can it be?
I guess we'll soon find out. Let's get these things. Bring them back to the yards.
They're pretty scattered. Let's get them all rounded up.
C'est encore plus compliqué que prévu. Il me fonce pas dedans.
All right, I think we got them all. Let's head to town.
You know what? Marston, why don't you leave the sheep to me? You ride Shank, keep watch for any trouble.
I brought you in on this.
It'll be quicker this way. Trust me. This ain't the right time for you to be learning how to herd.
All right, whatever you say. I'm done arguing.
Go, go!
That's more like it.
Je suis tellement fort. Hé, va là-bas toi.
Up, up! Keep moving!
Non, j'espère il est pas mort. Hein. Ça va mec? Allez, hop.
Come on! Yeah.
Oh, c'est encore plus dur que sur Red Dead Redemption en online. Red Dead Redemption en online, mais qu'est-ce que je raconte moi encore?
Yeah! Move it!
Allez hop, entrez.
Those are up, boys.
There you go.
Fine sheep.
They're okay.
You seen better around here?
I've seen ones with less ambiguity about their provenance.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say, you give me 25% kickback, and I won't say nothing to nobody.
Everything all right here? Excuse me?
Sure, I'll excuse you for 25%.
You want me to put another hole in your head?
Folks swing for rustling livestock. 25%.
15,
20.
18.
Done.
Il faut en affaire, il faut en affaire.
You're buying. We'll pay it.
Go on now.
Ok,
Come back after this.
allez.
Your money.
D'abord, on va voir ce TikTok live là. Ouvrir.
Pour simplement faire la configuration pour vous aider rapidement.
Ok, attendez 2 secondes. Allez. Je fais le truc pour que ce soit sur TikTok. Ok, super. Perfecto. Ah, bop. Attendez, j'essaie mon micro. Caméra. J'en ai pas. Continuez. Allez, vas-y. Connect. Attends, je vais fermer quelques pages. Discord, pour le moment, j'ai pas besoin. Je peux fermer quelques pages ici aussi. Genre. Ça peut s'enlever. Ok, continuez. Paysage, portrait. Ok, super, perfect. De toute façon, je pense que je vais arrêter le live. Hop, j'arrête le live sur. Ça, hop, capture de jeu, ajouter. Non. Super, ce. Non. Déjà. Objectif, nombre de follow. Ici. Capture de jeu. Non, moi je rends ce son live classique en portrait genre de... Comme ça des téléphones niveau. Objectif follower, ici. On va mettre ça ici. Ok, maintenant moi je veux objectif capture de jeu. Ah super, je veux centrer, projeter sur écran. Je veux capture de jeu, paramètres. Masquer. Sélectionner, Red Dead Redemption 2, appliquer. Super. Galerie de cadeaux. Ok, super. Démarrer le live. Mhm. Ok, bon, finalement, je vais rester sur ça. Hop, on retourne, du coup. Du coup, j'ai pas le choix, vu qu'apparemment ça fonctionne pas. Ok. Ok, normalement c'est bon. Parfait. Maintenant, faut que je partage. Moi je vais faire une photo. Ok, c'est bon. Ok, c'est bon. Ok, super. Ah non, faut que je retourne sur ça. Je vais déjà. Je vais juste mettre un texte. Faut que j'en fasse. Wesh, gros, attends. J'arrive pas. En fait, j'essaie de marquer, je reviens, parce que là, je vais prendre mon goûter vite fait. Bon, tant pis, je laisse comme ça. Tant pis. Ce n'est pas grave. C'est pas la fin du monde. Je reviens dans quelques minutes. Oh, faut que je trouve mon micro du coup. Comment je fais? Ah, comme ça. Ok, c'est bon. Oula! Un peu fort. Nice. Good, good. Comme ça. Ok. Ok, c'est parti. On retourne sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Allez hop.
Dutch is waiting for us at the saloon.
Yes? Come on, girl.
Dutch au Saloon. Bah, on est parti.
10%. Thought we was doing the robbing here.
Still good money.
Thanks for all the help with this. Can't herd, can't swim.
Ouf.
Rest, will ya? We ain't kids no more.
Il a pas tort.
Never really was.
Tout le monde a été des mômes. Il est bête, ce mec. Non mais Arthur, quoi. Moi j'attache pas mon cheval, je suis un gangster.
I don't believe in absolutes, just shades of grey. Compromise.
Ah, il est là.
Compromise. Well,
Gentlemen,
Dutch, hey, Poe.
Where have you been?
Working. Marston's thing. Good. And we're just waiting to get some pay. A few sheep.
Leopold, my good friend, as long as you're here, why don't you and John go make sure there ain't no funny business?
Of course.
Gentlemen,
Drink?
Sure.
Nothing like talking to old Strauss to make you want to blow your own brains out. I should have left him where I found him all those years ago. Bookish little Austrian, fresh off the boat, his eyes out on stalks.
Well, I guess the Dutch Vanderlyn Finishing School has some strange graduates.
That it does. To your good health.
Thank you.
Mais c'est même pas toi aussi. D'accord.
What the hell?
Vanderland! You don't know me, but you keep robbing me. My name is Leviticus Cornwall.
Oh!
I am not a man to be messed with by the likes of you. Get out
Cornwall.
here before I have these men killed.
What do you
Encore
say?
il s'est fait.
Well,
Depraved piece of trash.
you start spinning the yarn. When I think the moment's right, I'll make a
I
move.
got where I am by letting
Why
scum
not?
like you rob from me. Vanderland, you're done. Now get out here now. Deal with this nonsense.
Please, gentlemen, this is a terrible mistake. This is a case of mistaken identity. What is worse than admonishing a man for the sins of another who wants to be the Messiah? Not me, nor do I want to be this Dutch Vanderlyn, whoever he may be.
Voilà, fini. Allez, on se tire. Non, mon cheval! Ils ont tué mon cheval! Oh mon dieu. Ah, j'ai faim. C'est qui ça? Oh mon dieu, j'ai plus de vie. Ah, j'ai mal. On mange. attends, ils sont en train de partir sur moi.
We all heard you whine about a little thing from a wolf. Would you shut up, filthy dog? Get ready for your man. He's right. Why don't you run down while you still can? This is madness. You're on the front line now, first time.
Allez, hop, dégage. Voilà. Ah, mais c'est pas vrai, ils sont partout.
That's our horses over there. Come on, Brad Strauss. Are you getting Strauss or not, or
Mais c'est pas vrai, mais il y en a combien? Oh, c'est pas vrai. En plus, je dois le soulever. Mais quoi? Mais... Ah! Insupportable, ça. Oh, mon Dieu! Léopold Strauss, c'est mort. Ah! Allez, viens là. Il est où mon cheval? Poussez-vous! Poussez-vous!
and let's get out of here.
Non mais c'est pas vrai, mais ils me prennent un guet-apens là. Recherchez mort ou vif! Hey! Chiche! Carrément mort ou vif!
You make sure
Should be.
nobody's following us. We'll get back to camp. We're gonna gather the troops and get them to start packing up. Sure. We can't stick around after this. Let's go.
Allez.
All right. I better get out of here.
C'est bon, j'arrive. Allez, on se tire. Au revoir, Valentine. Et vraiment, je vais plus jamais pouvoir retourner à Valentine en fait. Maintenant, je dois échapper aux représentants de la loi. Ha ha ha. Est-ce que je vais réussir à échapper aux représentants de la loi? Telle est la question. À voir dans le prochain épisode. Non mais comment tu veux que je me tire? Le rond il me suit. Mais il me suit. Là je sais pas ce que je fais des zigzags comme ça par-ci par-là. Et puis l'endurance évidemment. Ah, j'ai eu chaud, hein. Ok, super. Maintenant, je vais peut-être pouvoir aller voir Mika. Allez hop, on est parti pour aller voir Mika. Ouh. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire ça? Donc même ici, je suis recherché partout en fait. Ah bah non, ici je suis pas recherché. Et ici non plus. Et bah ici du coup je suis recherché. Et donc ici je suis recherché ici aussi. C'est hard. C'est vraiment hard. C'est grave de mettre les gens recherchés pour rien. Hop, on va au bureau de poste. On va d'abord au bureau de poste pour pouvoir payer ma prime là parce que vraiment 300 €, c'est énervant un peu. Hein. Donc, du coup il me reste 172 €. Donc après il faudra que je paye les autres primes. Puis après il y aura Blackwater où je pourrais toujours pas y aller parce que je suis toujours recherché mort ou vif. Donc ça peut la hesse. Mon cheval, mais mon cheval il a tellement pas d'endurance et j'ai rien pour qu'il puisse reprendre de l'endurance. C'est un peu le problème ça. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a mon cher ami? C'est pas... Voilà. C'est bon, t'es sauvé. Je récupère ça, je dépecelle.
Oh, thank God! That animal was a goddamn menace. You saved me, partner. Woo! I was almost a meal there.
Hop, on récupère ça. Comme ça, au moins, ça va un petit peu mieux. Mais, prends! Non, il est pas en bon état, apparemment. Ok, faut que j'aille là. Toi là. Payer prime. Alors, on va payer cette prime. On va payer les wines. Et on va payer ici. C'est bon. J'ai payé toutes mes primes. Je suis plus un hors-la-loi maintenant. Maintenant, c'est bon. Après, il y a un seul endroit où je pourrais pas payer de prime. C'est toujours là. Voilà. Ici, je pourrais jamais payer de prime. Micah Bell. Wake me up a time. Da 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 da. Ok, go, 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 go. Allez, hop. Plus vite, cheval, plus vite. C'est bien. Papa, Hercule. Qu'est-ce que je raconte, moi, encore? Faut que j'arrête de dire des bêtises un jour, je pense. Wake me up inside. I don't wake up, wake me up inside. Save me, allez, plus vite, cheval, plus vite. Ah, petite... Alors, où est-il ce Mika que je hais le plus? Ah, il est ici. Mika? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Hey, Arthur. Good to see you.
Why? You want rescuing again, dear?
No. I got a plan to make it up to you.
Oh, playing like the Blackwater ferry job, or like you going off scouting and ending up in jail?
Dutch said you was a big shadow cast by a tiny tree.
I don't even know what that means.
I thought you was a tough boy. Not one of those gentlemen trying to protect his riding clothes.
I just know whenever things get real, you turn yellow, lose your head.
Yellow.
Sure seems that way.
So I guess you won't be riding with me to rob the banking coach comes about this time in the Strawberry. I heard one of the O'Driscoll boys yapping about it while I was inside.
You and me? Do robbery?
That's what I said, didn't I?
After you.
There's a spot up this way with a good view of the trail.
Oh non, encore un. Encore un braquage. Ah mon dieu. Oh là là.
Crazy hermit.
Can't exactly stay in town now, can I? Like I told you, I ain't going back to Dutch without a peace offering.
So what's the deal with this coach?
What do you mean? Comes through about this time every day, like I said. The end.
I mean, how many men? Guns? Riders?
Nothing serious. It'll be fine.
Ça va
Heard
aller.
the bank's been hiring every trigger man they can get of late. The meaner, the better.
You worry too much.
Forgive me if I ain't wholly faithful in something an O'Driscoll told you when you was half drunk in a jail cell.
Je sais pas faux, pas faux, pas faux.
About it, saying how they've been hitting it on the regular. That's a good lead in my book.
Damn, O'Driscolls are everywhere now.
Bastards got a hold of most of Big Valley. Heard they took over some big ranch north of here.
How the hell you and Lenny end up down here, anyway?
Oh, you know how it is? Few loose ends. Drink here, drink there.
What loose ends?
Nothing that needs to concern you. I always pay my share.
It concerns me when
Okay.
you put us in danger and we don't realize till it's too late. Like that move you pulled in Strawberry, making me kill half the town just for your precious guns.
Precious they are.
Pas faux, pas faux.
You need to roll a little looser, Morgan.
Looser. I seen you come full undone more than once now, and you only been running with us a few months.
Are we gonna rob this coach or bicker about it? What's done is done.
Guess we're robbing it.
Then let's do it.
Bah gros, ouais, on va te faire cette diligence si tu te dépêchais un peu plus, Mika. Non, parce que t'es lent. Oh là là, mais c'est toujours pareil. Hein. Quand c'est des missions, alors là, ils vont lent. Mais quand c'est pas des missions, alors là, oh, ils vont vite. Hein. Mon dieu, non de Dieu. Pas possible ça. J'aurais tout fait dans ma vie. Tout fait. Tout fait. Allez, grouille. Mika, tu sais que t'es très énervant. Alors avance plus vite.
All right, this is the spot. Hold up on this ridge.
On va attendre sur cette crête.
Oh,
They should be here in a little bit. Hold tight.
which way will they be coming in?
Should be from over there. You need to hit them fast before they get into town.
Just don't lose your head this time.
Of course, tough guy. They should be here any minute.
Il m'énerve, Mika, il m'énerve, il m'énerve.
Right on time. Get covered up. Come on! Ride!
C'est bon, j'ai tout ce qu'il faut. Et en gros, faut attaquer les gardes et arrêter la diligence. En fait, moi, j'ai un moyen rapide pour...
Sorry, it's payday, fellers.
Mais je vais péter un câble. Je vais péter un câble. Je vais péter un boulon. Je vais péter un boulon. Mon cheval, pourquoi t'as sauté? Mais... Oh mon dieu. Des fois, je me demande si les chevaux, ils ont pas juste 3 de QI en fait. Et toi, hop, voilà, c'est bon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mode vite, je conduis bas. Conduis alors. Wake me up and time. Je suis là, hein. Mais je suis là. Mais il a... Mais... Oh là là. Il a vraiment trop de cul, hein. Mon dieu, mais laisse-moi. Ah, tu m'énerves, mec.
I'm hoping there won't be a next time.
You don't mean...
Yeah! Baylock! Come on, boy!
Baylock.
Here. Fine new rifle, too.
Du coup, il refont un nom pour mon cheval, là. Hein.
From me to you. Had some more your style than mine. What did I tell you? Like licking butter off a knife.
Something like that. You don't want to just break it open here, be done with it?
Could be more than we can carry. And there might be a second crew of riders tailing.
All right, then.
Not to mention, we ride back in with a big take and a new wagon to boot. Dutch can't say we ain't pulling our weight no more, can he?
I ain't
Oh,
sure
il a... Le pire, c'est qu'il a pas tort. Pour une fois, je suis d'accord avec toi, Mika. Mais me refais plus le coup de la dernière fois où tu nous as mis une prime de 300 €. Ça fait mal.
But I got no beef with you. I reckon we're a lot alike, you and me.
Now, hold up there.
Dutch knows I'm a feller that gets things done, same as you.
Gets things done. You'd be wearing a California collar now if I hadn't broken you out of jail.
And I have expressed my gratitude, have I not? It's done. Main
Puff.
thing now is getting this haul back in one piece.
Moi, je dis, on y go. On y go, on y go. Bah, s'il se dépêche, évidemment. Au pire, je peux juste profiter du paysage aussi.
Shit! Yeah, we're being run! Get across the river!
Oh mon dieu!
What the hell? Come on, Arthur, get out of there!
Mon dieu, mais c'est des tarés! Oh là là, c'est pas vrai.
I think so. Just keep your head down. Let's finish.
Pourquoi ils ont des masses sur la tête?
Oh, he's gonna get it good. There's more of them.
Il y a combien de monde là? Mais ils sont combien? Voilà, hop. Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais, Mika? Mais toujours à mettre ta vie en danger, toi. Mais j'avoue, c'est pas... Mais vraiment, mais c'est trop grave.
Since when did you have a problem killing O'Driscolls?
You've got a point.
Let's strip this coach then. It clearly ain't going nowhere now. You know, we should really pick up a lock breaker one of these days. Save ourselves some bullets.
Yeah, because saving bullets is such a concern of yours.
Let's take what we can and get the hell out of here. That lock should shoot off easy enough.
Verrouiller la visée sur le cadenas, super.
On account of, well, this little mess.
Quel cadenas? Ah, ici.
That should do it.
Come on, let's see if all this was worth
All
it.
I see is you, me, a river full of dead O'Driscolls, and a lockbox. I'd say we're golden here, Morgan. Look at that.
Beaucoup d'argent, c'est tout ce que je vois.
Good. Let's make sure the gang gets its piece.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, big shadow, tiny tree.
And like I said, that still don't mean nothing. Get out of here. Go see Dutch. Make sure you ain't followed.
I know, boss. I know. It's been fun.
C'est marrant de tuer les gens. Votre part. J'ai eu 300 €, trop bien. Bon bah maintenant il me reste plus qu'un endroit où je peux faire des quêtes. C'est... Enfin je crois que... Oui, il n'y a qu'un seul endroit littéralement. Il me reste une dernière quête là, Dutch van der Leyen. Ah mais arrête de désélectionner là. Désélectionner, ça veut rien dire. Désélectionner. Bon, j'en ai marre. Voilà, c'est bon. Allez hop, on y va. Ok, on est parti. Du coup, là, on va avoir la bande. Donc, on retourne au camp. Voilà, on retourne au camp. C'est beaucoup plus simple à dire. J'en ai marre. Allez. Plus vite, plus vite. Plus tu vas vite, plus vite on y sera. Ça veut rien dire ce que je viens de dire là, non mais... Qu'est-ce que je viens de dire moi encore? Bref.
Lily May, you think you're so great. Strutting around. Hey, mister. I just want to be left alone, all right?
A sentiment I'm familiar with. Fair enough, kid.
Holding hands with that dog. Come on, kid.
You care about this girl? Stand up for yourself. She'll come around.
Yeah? I've been waiting.
Hein?
ain't so many good men out there. Make yourself one of the good ones.
Mhm.
Thanks, mister. I hope you're right.
Ouais, je peux rien faire de plus.
You wait, Billy May. Someday.
Un jour, je te montrerai. Mon ha 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 ha. Mon dieu, mais qu'est-ce que je fais encore, moi? Pourquoi j'ai sorti un mon ha 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 ha? Non. Pourquoi je fais ça? Pourquoi je m'inflige ça? Non. Non. Ah. Ah. Phare. Phare. Oh là là, c'est dur d'être seul. Bonjour Javier.
It's me! You're back!
Javier Squall. Boo Boo Banks. Oh yeah, Boo Boo Banks. Oh yeah, Boo Boo Banks. Oula. Wow, j'ai lag. Oh mon dieu. Oh mon dieu, j'ai lag.
Heading east, is that the plan?
For now.
When do we stop? When we reach Paris?
That'd be nice. Join the commune. We stop when we find someplace sensible.
So, we moving?
Yeah.
Turned into
Encore?
a bunch of killers, I mean it. We ain't even got the delusion of being anything but a bunch of killers.
We are just trying to survive, Hosea. We don't have a choice. This'll end soon.
Damn right it will.
Constipated as usual. Micah told me of a place we can lie low. Look here. Dewberry Creek, he said.
Okay.
Maybe you and Charles can go take a look, clear off anyone you find before the whole lot of us move in looking so conspicuous.
And how we gonna do that?
I don't know. Start dancing?
Ok.
I turned into the goddamn errand boy.
You have turned into my son. You worry because I worry. We are just the same.
Charles, come with me. We got work
Charles, viens avec moi, on a du boulot.
I've done that before.
Allez Charles, allez. Go Charles, go. C'est où ça du coup? Dewberry Creek. Toujours plus loin, toujours plus loin, toujours plus loin. Pourquoi il y a autant de cheval? Surtout que la 3/4 des gens qui sont dans la bande font que chômer. Enfin, il y en a 2 surtout qui chôment. Je vais pas dire leur nom hein, pour pas les citer, mais vous voyez de qui je parle. Hein. Reverend Soutson et l'oncle. Ces gros chômeurs là. Puis il y a aussi des drogués. Je dirais pas le nom. Bill, c'est un gros drogué.
Killed a lot of Cornwall's men. They must know where we are by now.
So, we're heading south?
Yeah. Area called Dewberry Creek. Dutch wants us to give it a look. Make sure it's clear and a good place to lie low for a while.
I've only known him a few months, but the way he talks, I never thought I'd see him wanting to head south.
Right. And I know by now, there ain't no lying low.
There's too many of us for that.
And there ain't no way Dutch is gonna just hide away in a cave somewhere. Goes against everything he stands for. That'd be admitting we're nothing more than low-down criminals.
Which we are.
You don't have to tell me.
So where does it end?
Where does what end?
The moving, the running.
Dutch don't see it as running.
Call it what you want.
I don't know. Before, put enough time and distance between you and the problem, eventually it went away. And this is a big country. But now, with these Pinkertons and better paid bounty hunters, I ain't so sure. Maybe the price on our heads got too big.
Yeah, they've certainly got money behind them.
They've got Cornwall's money behind them for one, which guarantees even more trouble.
Alors, vas-y. Avance, Arthur, avance.
Must be it up ahead. The old dried up creek.
Seems very open.
Yeah, it does. Ain't sure to be the best
Hey
in the
there.
rain neither. Well, let's take a look around.
En gros, faut voir s'il y a des habitants.
Something over there. You see it? Someone on the ground there.
Mais il est mort.
He's been shot. Looks like trouble got here before us.
There's a camp just up ahead.
Sure. Let's get ready for business. Any issues? Shoot first, debate second.
Ok, faut que j'aille voir un
All right,
campement.
Charles, let's go take a look.
Bah évidemment, si on...
Here it is. Few tents, but the place looks empty.
Let's have a look around and make sure.
Je vais prendre des armes. C'est un peu plus safe. Voilà. En plus, là, j'ai max munitions, donc franchement... Et bon, d'abord, je vais prendre ça. Je m'en occupe.
Who's everybody?
Maybe they heard us coming. Be careful.
I'm being careful.
Ok. Il y a des gosses. Eh, attends, il y a des gosses.
Someone's been here.
Mais oui, il y a des gosses là.
Someone's still here.
There ain't no one here now.
I ain't so sure about that.
Oui, il nous a fait quoi Arthur là? Il nous a tapé sa meilleure danse.
It's okay. It's okay. Come out of there. You okay? No, mean no harm.
Ok.
He said, are you okay?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch? It's German?
No. Now go on, get out of here. Go, we need the land, go. Get the hell out of
They
here.
took our father.
Who did?
Men last night.
Where? Where did they take him?
Ain't no business of ours.
Si
I
c'est nos
don't
affaires.
even speak their language.
You ain't as tough and dense as all that. Come on, Arthur.
J'avoue, Arthur, t'es pas un méchant.
The girl was pointing this way. Let's see if we can pick up a trail.
Mon Dieu, mon cheval il est sale.
I don't see nothing.
This way. What's going on? You.
What do you mean?
You were just gonna send that woman and her children on
Tout droit.
Way? We're wanted, man. We got Pinkertons braiding down our necks. We should be moving. Damn, not running off on some wild goose chase.
Come on, Arthur. That's not how you are.
Ah, ça s'arrête ici.
Wait a second, just wanna look closer here.
Ah, par là.
Looks like they cut off down the trail to the left.
You're right. Okay, come on. So you were saying
Well,
Ok, c'est par là.
maybe you don't know me as well as you think you do.
Ok. Par ici.
what happened with those Pinkertons anyway?
Par là-bas, sur le bord de la plage.
Wait, just let me make sure this is right.
C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. J'ai vérifié.
Continues along the shore here. Anyway, you were saying.
Oh mon dieu, tu m'écoutes Arthur des fois quand je te parle. Mon dieu.
Offered me freedom if I turned Dutch in.
They picked the.
Ok super, ça continue tout droit.
We should have moved right then, if you ask me. Bastards told me they killed Mac. Said it right in front of Jack. Mac,
Tout droit, tout droit.
It's gonna be tough for him.
yeah. But he has more folk looking out for him than most of the rest of us had growing up.
John said he was going back to the auction yard to collect the money for those sheep. Hey,
He's been
Et on tourne.
a damn idiot going anywhere near that town right now.
think this is
Par
the
là.
right way? Give me a second.
They continue on that trail.
C'est absolument ce que je viens de...
Let's keep on him.
Ok, là c'est juste sur la route.
You reckoned he'd be able to slip in and out?
Oh, well.
Là, à partir d'ici, il continue.
John's idea, it must be a good one.
Hey, quiet now. There's a camp up ahead.
Là, il y a un campement. Encore un campement.
Seems deserted. Let's take a look. What are you doing?
Where is this guy?
I don't know. But you know something? This is a better camp spot than back there. Much easier
Mais-
to defend.
Mais il est là.
Maybe. This looks like our feller, Charles.
Quick, cut him free and let's get out of here.
Vorsicht, Vorsicht! Das ist eine Pfanne! Vorsicht!
Take cover!
Three coming right at us!
You get the hell away from here! What are we doing? This ain't even our goddamn fight! He ain't getting freed until we get paid, hear me?
They're on him? Doesn't look like it.
D'abord. Hop.
That's how you want to do
Et
it?
hop.
Last one's making a run for it. Take him down!
Well, that's them dealt with. You get him untied, I'll see what they've left behind for us.
Hop, je libère.
It's okay. Getting you out of here.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe.
Yeah, okay. Here, you wait there a second. Charles, go find Dutch. Get the caravan to divert here. This spot should work for us.
I agree.
Maïs. Excuse-moi, mais le maïs c'est important dans la vie. Normalement, mon cheval il est blanc. Hein. Normalement, hein. Allez, monte. Je te ramène à ta famille.
Come on. I'll take you back to your family.
Was machen wir jetzt? Also soll ich mitkommen?
Allez, c'est parti. Le mec, il sait pas du tout où est-ce qu'on va. Tout ce qu'il sait, c'est vas-y, il m'a sauvé, je le suis.
Wo bringt
Franchement,
What the hell did you do to those fellas?
Wie bitte?
Those men back there, why did they take you?
Geld. Money. Meiner Familie gehört eine Goldmine. Sie wollen Lösegeld erpressen.
How did someone even come up?
Sie bringen mich zu deiner Familie? Vielen Dank. Wie haben Sie sie gefunden?
Look, I'm sorry, friend. I can barely speak English. Yeah,
pourquoi t'es de quelle langue de base, Arthur? Faudrait que je vois sur Wiki. Il est de quelle langue de base, Arthur? Parce que je sais que je suis tout seul, donc je vais pas demander à le chat, disez-moi de quelle langue il est Arthur de base, sachant que bah y a personne. Je suis tout seul. Normal. Ah, j'espère que je suis l'intérieur.
Dem Herrgott sei Dank. Schatz!
Ich hab gedacht, du seist tot.
Beinahe wärst du gewesen. Meine Lieblinge. Meine Herz allerliebst. Oh, wie wunderbar. Oh,
Sie sind ein großer Mann.
ja.
Ein großer Mann.
Ja, wirklich.
Es ist ein Segen, dass wir Sie getroffen haben.
Come on, now get out of here. This place ain't safe. Get out of here!
Ja, ja, alles
Vamos!
klar.
Vamos!
Ich hab was für Sie. Einen Moment. Dankeschön.
Oh, un lingot d'or.
Vielen Dank, herzlichen Dank.
Guess it was a pleasure.
Attendez, il y a mon chat qui veut sortir.
You're right. Oh, this place. Oh, it'd be perfect for us. Hello, Arthur. Dutch.
Alors,
Mr. Pearson, put everyone to work. Make this place a home. Well, I don't know where the hell we are, but we are going to make the best of it.
ok. Clemens Point. Super. Donc on a une nouvelle base dans un nouvel endroit. Super. Enfin. Quelques jours plus tard. Ok, super. Terminé. Ah, donc je suis plus au chapitre 2. Super. C'est pas possible, faut que j'arrête de dire super. Non. Chapitre 2. Donc normalement, apparemment. Ok. Donc, super. Ok. Donc là, j'ai 300 € et un lingot d'or qui coûte, je ne sais pas.
How you doing, old friend? It's funny, us ending up down here. My daddy died in the field in Pennsylvania, fighting this lot. I ever tell you that? Many times. I see I'm boring you, Arthur. Worrying me. We lost men back there. We have lofty goals, Arthur.
Ouais, nob nob. Oh, il fait peur la noblicité. Hein. Oh, tu es des gens. Beaucoup de sacrifices, mon Dieu. Bon point. Suivez Dutch. Il fait beau. Effectivement. Oh non, on va pêcher. Non, pas encore. Oh non. Je vais encore devoir aller pêcher. Encore. Pas possible. Procès. Je peux pas le brosser. Du coup, il va être sale, c'est pas grave. Suivez Océa. Allez hop.
son.
It feels good here. You did well finding that spot, Arthur.
More Charles than me.
It's like I can breathe again, thick and soupy as this air is. Might even do your whistling pipes some good, Hosea.
I was once in this country with Bessie. Ah, feels like a lifetime ago.
It was a lifetime ago. But what a life we have lived, how well we have fought.
Comme
Especially
des
both of
lions,
you.
carrément.
I hope so.
But now, when things are desperate, we have to stick with the plan. Make enough money, then find somewhere where nobody will find us. Where we don't have to hide.
Like where?
I got some ideas hatching, but I need you with me, not against me. Both of you.
Of course.
Bien sûr, bien sûr.
We do need money. So keep a low profile, especially in the local town. After Valentine, I want everyone on best behavior here. No trouble. But start turning over the soil and the rocks. See what turns up.
Dutch, we've got to be discreet.
Imagine what a slew of rich simpletons there must be down here. Oh, this is perfect for you, Hosea. You'll be able to play them like a fiddle.
Mais normalement, on est à Le Moine et là, du coup, on retourne à l'endroit où on avait quitté. Mais waouh, c'est pas possible d'être bête comme ça.
Looks like law up ahead. Play it cool.
Mon Dieu, c'est pas possible, je suis en marre.
Hello, gentlemen.
Well, look what the cat drug in.
Well, look who it is. Quiet back there.
Let's see if we can't sort this out.
Pourquoi c'est qui est là?
How are you, boys?
Fine.
This is quite some country you have here.
We like it well enough.
Hoagie McIntosh, at your service.
Lee Gray. This is my deputy Archibald McGregor.
It's good to meet you.
You a Scot?
Partly. The best part.
Of course.
Now, tell me, sir, what did the silly, fancy fop back there do? Nothing too terrible, I trust.
He was accused of running a gold mining investment scam.
Oh, no. I'm sure he wasn't. He is a magician. I know him. He's a fool, but he is not a bad fellow. Now, can we just...
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Non mais qu'est-ce qu'ils font?
The Anderson boys! I can't have more scandal!
Well, allow us to help, my friend. Arthur.
Chase wanted man.
And take Archibald with you.
Just what I signed up for. Come on, big guy.
Perhaps we can discuss the foolish magician.
Allez, c'est parti.
Don't let them get away. Keep your guns holstered. We need them Anderson boys alive.
Ok, super, donc je sors le lasso. Ah là là, chasseur de primes Prime. Oh là là, mon métier de Red Dead Online.
What do you think you're doing? Faster, come on. What's your name, sir?
Arthur Callahan.
Faster, Mr. Callahan, please. My neck is on the line here.
I get it. I'm doing my best.
Oui, bah si mon cheval allait plus vite.
You sure I can't just shoot him?
No, did I not say that?
You said plenty.
Hey, settle down. What is that? Ooh, that must have hurt. Leave
Bon.
them stay with that train. The train is slowing down to go through the station. Now's our chance. Hey, stop that. Get to the side of the train. What the hell are you doing? Get alongside that flat carriage. You think you can jump
Bah
on
attends.
Me? Why me?
Because you ride like my grandmother.
You are something else. God bastard. I didn't do nothing.
Ouf. Ok, c'est bon, je monte. venez là, venez là. Non, pas assez loin. Ok. Allez, viens là. Voilà, comme ça c'est fait. Mon Dieu, pas possible ça. Viens là, viens là. C'est un taré. Ah, mais arrête de frapper. Et moi je te frappe, toi tu frappes pas. Allez hop, on le soulève. Voilà. Ah là là, la puissance.
Sounded like quite a commotion. Is that him?
I sincerely hope so.
Old Anders Anderson.
What now?
Take him in, come on. A fine job, well done.
Ok.
A pat on the back for me for stopping the train. Load Anders onto the back of your horse there and we'll take him to Sheriff Gray. There you go. You are a natural. All right, let's
Allez.
take him in. Follow me.
What about the others?
Oh, we'll round them up. Anders back there is the brains of the operation, and that's really saying something.
You're the boss.
That was mighty impressive, sir. I have to admit. I'd hazard a guess you've served the law yourself at some point.
Well, I wouldn't exactly.
Pas vraiment, pas vraiment. Ah, hors la loi plutôt.
The area here,
No, not really.
on your right here, these tobacco fields. This is
Whoa.
part of Caliga Hall, big estate belonging to the Gray family.
Looks bone dry.
Yes, we are in dire need of some rain round here, let me tell you. The Grays have lived in Caliga Hall for generations. Fine people. My family's been working for them for years. Sheriff Gray's the one I know best, of course, but they own half the businesses in town.
Which town?
Rhodes, sir. You don't know it? Where we're headed right now.
Ouais, bah oui.
What it was before the war, but it has its charms. I'm sure you already know of the Braithwaites.
Like I said, just got down here.
Another big family in these parts. They have an estate west of here. Awful people, truly awful.
Vraiment.
They've been fighting with the Grays for as long as I can remember.
Donc les gars ils sont gentils, mais les autres sont méchants.
You got here.
Ok, donc il y en a qui sont gentils, il y en a qui sont méchants. Cool. C'est spécial, hein.
They're left here.
Direction à gauche. Allez hop. Me mettez pas cette information, je n'utilise pas d'armes et je ne cause pas de problème. Actuellement, là, je suis en train d'aider un policier. Hop, c'est bon, on est arrivé à Rhodes. Pourquoi je prends des mots comme ça, moi?
Welcome to Rhodes. Up there on your left.
Celle-ci, on peut avoir notre truc de chasseur de primes dans le online.
We also have a general store, gunsmith, post office, train station, of course.
What more do you need?
Very little. Oh, good, they're back. And that's your friend, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna stop just ahead on the right, outside the sheriff's office. Can you grab Anders off your horse and carry him in for me?
Faut voir où tu...
Bring him in so we can show Sheriff Gray.
Hey, fellas.
Mr. Gray! We got him. Very good.
I told you Arthur would deliver. Man has a passion for justice.
That's wonderful.
So, about my friend here?
Your idiot friend is free to go. No more trouble from you, partner.
I promise you, this was all just a big misunderstanding. However, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Now, I'll pretend to appreciate
Tiki.
that. Mr. McIntosh, it has been a real pleasure. The mostly good citizens of Rhodes, we welcome you.
Well, we're just honored to be here.
And make your friend behave. We got enough trouble from some of the residents, old-timers who've gone sadly to seed and lost their dignity.
How terrible. Come along now. I will keep this fellow on the straight and narrow.
Come back and see us sometime soon. Excuse me, gentlemen. Oh, these better be ugly rooms. Is it true you were seen talking to that wretched Penelope Braithwaite?
I can't thank you enough.
Where have you been?
Around,
And where are you staying?
I'm renting a caravan on the edge of town behind the church. It's horrible, but no one comes looking. The whole town is trapped in this interminable feud between the two families.
Ah oui.
This lot and Grays and Braithwaites.
Interesting.
Two old plantation houses falling out. Rebel gold. Marrying.
Ah, c'est bien alors.
Not marrying.
Arthur,
Oula.
you start poking around. See what you can find out about that.
I have missed you, boys. I've heard about bounty.
There's been a price on my head for 13 years. It'll take
Joe.
months to find us down here, and it seems like we can have a little sport.
Well, they're good bounties.
Where you hear this?
Some fellas I met at a camp near the state line said there was talk of it in bars in the north and west for 500 miles. There was talk. Super agents.
Ok,
Some
j'ai
super
l'identification
agents.
biologique. Je suis trop
I'd
peur.
love to meet one. It's just talk.
I'm sure it is, but I couldn't not tell you.
Stay out of trouble.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Ok. C'est ok. Mais qui c'est qui nous fera cette pause, Arthur?
Two plantation families. Arthur, you start sniffing around Gray's place, see what the story is there.
Yeah, I passed by it earlier with our friend Archibald.
Good. Hosea, you see what you can find out about these Braithwaites.
All right. Thank you, Arthur.
Quite a fishing trip.
There's still time. I'm up for it.
How about you, Arthur? Have you had enough of the chase for one day?
Non, j'ai pas envie d'aller pêcher.
I'll need to relax someplace.
Fair enough. It looks like it's you and me, old man.
Super nice. Maintenant, on va aller... S'il y a un hôtel là-bas. Est-ce qu'il y a un hôtel dans cette petite ville? Il n'y a pas d'hôtel. Donc, je vais aller au camp. Je vais aller dormir. Cambriolage. C'est pas vrai, on a dit pas de cambriolage. Oh là là. C'est pas possible ça. Mon Dieu. Les gens de nos jours. Allez. Et on va arrêter la vidéo. Aouh. Si tu veux bien. Hop. Elle avance. Allez, viens là, viens là, viens là, voilà, c'est bien, enfin, bien. Good boy, good boy. De là, go, go, go. Yahoo! Yeah! Bah. C'est bon, je pète un câble, j'en ai marre. Ah là là. Bon, on va prendre un mini raccourci, genre vraiment léger raccourci. Parce que j'avoue, j'ai un peu la flemme de faire trop de route non plus. Ça peut être chiant des fois. Faut me comprendre. Ah oui.
Hey, Arthur.
Ah mon dieu. Alors déjà, on va pouvoir se raser parce que Baba commence à devenir longue. Et la moustache, je vais la laisser pousser. Là, on a vraiment une tête. Elle fait peur. Bref, moi je dis bonne nuit. Et à plus tard, guys. Pour donc le prochain let's play. Parce que on n'a toujours pas fini le jeu. Et oui, je sais, c'est étonnant comme ça. Mais bref, au revoir.